Give me a tour.
Okay,
Close the door first.
okay, here's my room upstairs. And then I'll show my mom and dad. I kind of like the I like it a little bit.
Let me check take my room again. What is this?
The 2-bedroom is mine.
2 bedroom, 2 beds.
So here's my bedroom.
Hi.
There's my bedroom. And there's a closet. Here's not really that much stuff. But it's fine. Whoa! Did you see that up there? You can climb there. There's some hangers. There is.
Okay.
I just scared. Sorry, I heard that. Yeah, by the way, I'm gonna sleep next to the little curtains. If you see, here's a little curtains. It's my favorite. And here's my mom and dad's room. Whoa! It's the same as that. And then here's a bathroom. Here is a little shower, and there is a sink, and there is a toilet here. There's some drawers. Okay, let's move on to the next room. Here is a bathroom. So here's a little tub, and here is a toilet, and here is a sink that I can reach. So let's move on to
I'll be over to meet, but Jake's probably comes back tonight. I'll get there a week.
that. Okay.
Yeah.
So if I already showed you.
But Jake should be coming back
Yeah,
tomorrow.
I already showed living room, but I didn't really show you this. So there is a fireplace.
Next Saturday when I'm coming home, so I can't
But
guarantee
we
it,
don't
but
have
what do you
any
need?
wood. We gotta buy it, but we can cook something here. And here is the wood fireplace. Clean it.
Cook.
Here's the living room couch and my mom.
The what?
Okay.
Bye.
Oh, yeah, you wanted me to play, right?